So, I've been trying on a lot of running shoes lately to find the perfect one for me, until I decided to do a gait analysis. Gait analysis checks how you move to spot imbalances and helps you choose running shoes that fit your stride and can give the right support.
Ito mo, ma'am. Dito mo, ma'am, stability.
Stability talaga? Okay.
Nakikita mo yung bali, ma'am. Bali yan yung ipe-prevent natin, ma'am.
Okay.
Kaya need mo ng stability tool. Need mo ng guidance dito sa may medial pose. Yun po yung meron si ma'am, Kayano. Kayano 31 or GT. Yung kaliwa, yung apo, ma'am. Yung kanan mo, ma'am, ito po. Malapit siya sa neutral. Hindi pa naman siya masyadong balit. Yung left lang talaga. Apo. Yung left lang talaga, ma'am.
Simbro mo ba kayo?
Birth month lang, ma'am.
Uy, birth month ko.
Last 15.
Ayun.
So, next month lang ako bibili sa akin.
Sobrang meant to be. This is the last pair in my size, in the color that I wanted.
Oh, congrats! Sumakses din.
Happy birthday to me! Sakto first month ako nakaisip mag-running. 15% off din yun. Ay, thank you Lord. It's meant to be. Yung entire pa na gusto ko, no? Thank you Lord.
Congrats! Sumakses!